What's up YouTube family? Hope you all are doing well. I'm doing absolutely fine. So today was this energetic, fun-filled, the launch of the Pulsar 250, and we saw two models there launched by Bajaj. That was the F250 and the other one was the N250. So I just love the event hosted by Bajaj sir, and he gave a very emotional kind of speech wherein it's been 20 years since the Pulsar phenomena, or the absolutely male kind of a machine, a motorcycle that has been launched by Bajaj, and obviously it has its own ups and downs that were told by Bajaj sir there. So talking about the Pulsar has been a very special motorcycle for me because I started my motorcycling journey with the Pulsar. I think I got my Pulsar was in the year 2003, 2004. That was my first motorcycle, you could say, and it was a Pulsar 150. So, well, frankly speaking, it was not by choice. I actually wanted a CBZ, a Hero Honda CBZ at that time. It was the craze, you all could say, but unfortunately, my father thought it was too fast, maybe, and that is the reason why, his friends told him to get me a Pulsar. So I have no regrets though of getting the Pulsar, because it has been a very crazy journey. I used it till I think 2011. 2011 was the time where I just sold it before my marriage, and obviously got myself a four-wheeler since I had moved on to a new journey in life. And the Pulsar 150 has been very special because I have spent a lot of time with it. I have done a lot of kilometers. Probably 5 days a week I used to be in Lonavala with my friends. This was all at midnight. So it has been a crazy companion, and it has always had a special corner in my life, that is, and I will never forget this motorcycle, that is, ever in my life. Obviously, I learned motorcycling on a RX 100. That was my friend's RX 100 there, and thanks to him that he taught me, the lovely art of motorcycling, that is. So let's talk about the new motorcycles, that is the F250 and the N250 in particular. So let's go and talk about the specifications rather. So here we get a single cylinder 4-stroke SOHC 2-valve oil cooled engine. The displacement is obviously 249.7 cc, where we get a max power of 24.5 PS and a max torque of 21.5, which are decent numbers according to me. The transmission is obviously a 5-speed gearbox, that is. The wheelbase is 1351 mm, the seat height is 795 mm, which is pretty decent, and I don't think shorter riders should have an issue as such. Ground clearance is a good 165 mm, curb weight is 162 kg for the N250, and obviously for the Fed it is a little more, that is 164 kgs. Fuel tank capacity is a great 14 liters, and we get bigger brakes in this motorcycle, wherein we get 300 mm disc in the front, and rear we get 230 mm disc. Obviously it's a single channel ABS. Tires in the front we get 100 by 80 section tires, and in the rear we get 130 by 70 section tires. And the suspensions are pretty decent. We get a front telescopic of 37 mm and rear are obviously monoshocks. Talking about the console, we get the gear indicators, we get the clock, you get the fuel efficiency and the range indicators. So this is kind of a semi-digital instrument cluster that we see. Headlamps, we have bifunctional LED projectors finally here with these motorcycles, that is. So this motorcycle gets a new tubular frame, which would obviously add with the core of the motorcycle, that is. We get new alloy wheels, and we also get a slipper clutch, obviously helping you with your gear shifts. And all this has been launched, obviously the thing comes on to the price point, that is, and the F250 has been launched at 1.40 lakhs ex-showroom, and the N250 has been launched at 1.38 lakhs ex-showroom, which I feel is a pretty decent price for these baby Pulsars. I think it should do really well. The only competition that I feel inside Bajaj is the KTM brand itself, wherein the KTM is a more a premium product there by Bajaj itself, obviously with the collaboration of Bajaj and KTM. But all in all, I think the first motorcycle would always be a Bajaj, a Pulsar for me, and I'm sure it's going to be the same with many of y'all there watching this video right now. So do y'all want a ride review of this machine in Biker Dad Lifestyle? I'm raring to ride this motorcycle, guys, because it just feels so back to youth, you know, bringing my youth back, and I'm just wanting to ride this motorcycle and give y'all a ride review of the Pulsar 250, that is the Biker Dad Lifestyle review rather. So hope you all like this review, guys. This was more of a feeler, and you know, I told you about my experience, about my motorcycle experience and how my journey all began. So do follow me on Instagram. I'm pretty active on Instagram. I actually started my influencer or moto enthusiast journey on Instagram itself, and now I moved on to YouTube. So follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Biker Dad Life. I'm leaving the handle here. There's an extra A in between, so don't forget that, and there's no space in between too. So all my updates come there first, and then later on it come on YouTube. So want to know me more? You have to check out my Instagram then. Don't miss me out on Instagram. And obviously, guys, I need not say this, follow me here, or rather subscribe me here, hit that bell icon and let your friends know about me, that is Biker Dad Life. So signing off, have a great time, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'm coming up with such exciting content all for y'all, just for y'all. The Biker Dad Life, that me is. See you, bye bye.